Today we're taking a closer look at these Falcon shocks, SP2 2.1 Monotube front and rear shocks for a 0 to 1.5 inch lifted 2020 and newer 3.6 liter Jeep Gladiator JT, but excluding the Mojave. If you're looking for a suspension that balances comfort, control, with on and off-road performance, these shocks stand out as a refined, adaptable upgrade, and they're definitely worth looking into. These monotube shocks deliver increased stability, improved ride quality, and comfort for daily driven Jeeps in a compact and affordable package. These have been optimized for on and off-roading. Their unique SP2 mode adjust feature tunes compression and rebound for soft or performance settings. These are great for daily driven vehicles as well as race-inspired performance, handling, and stability for off-road rigs. The monotube shock delivers optimized tuning for on and off-road performance. The front lower offset eyelet design provides maximum shock body to frame clearance during suspension articulation, and the rear roost guards prevent a shock shaft damage from rocks kicked up by those tires. These are built tough for demanding terrain, and Falcon SP2 shocks utilize a rugged 6061 T6 aluminum body and a thick chrome-plated shaft to resist buckling. The monotube design ensures rapid heat dissipation, maintaining consistent dampening even under high-stress situations. The high-end piston components and the roost guards enhance longevity and durability, giving you a solid foundation for serious trail use and abusive everyday driving. Now, as far as pricing goes on these, it's coming in right in the low $1,000 price range for a full set of 4 shocks. That investment's gonna deliver a refined, adjustable ride and enhanced durability, making it stand apart from standard shock or passive damping replacements. This installation process is gonna get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 3 hours of your time. Now, let's see exactly how that install process goes with a quick video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
Get the impact, a hammer, a 22 for the lug nuts, a 21 for the rear shock, and a 19 for the front shock. Same thing with a 21 wrench for the back, 19 for the front.
Alright guys, so today we're changing the shocks on my 2023 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. So I'm putting these Falcon shocks, SP2 2.1s on here. First step is we're going to get the tire off, and then after we get the tire off, then we're going to take off the old shocks, and then we're going to put on the new. Alright, so here's the 2 bolts right here, this one and this one, that you got to take off. So you're going to start with the bottom one, and then you're going to take the top one off. Alright, so it looks like that's going to be an 18 millimeter. And to get the lug nuts off, I did a 22 millimeter. So the bolt goes through and you got a nut on the back. So I get the wrench, hold the nut on the back, and then use the impact to take the bolt back. Alright, so I see what I did wrong. I didn't have the actual shock compress, so that bolt was really hard to get out. Make sure you have the shock compress before you try to get it out. So now that I got it lowered, well, now that I got the tire off, I'm going to compress that shock this time so I don't have that problem again. All right, so now I got a bottle jack. I'm going to jack this up to compress this spring. That way it should be easy to come out. bind. All right, got that out. Now let's grab the new one. Looks like we have to jack it up a little bit more. I'm gonna get one bolt sorted. Okay, that's started. Make sure they get this in. Get a little hammer. Give it a little tap without messing up the threads. Now we can tighten it back down. That one. All right, guys. So I had to play with the bottle jack a little bit, try to get it to fit. But I got it to fit. So we're just gonna tighten it down now. All right, got it nice and tight. Now, let's go do the same thing on the other side. All right, let's get this side on now. Looks like this one's gonna have to be jacked up too. Oh yeah, that's the way we like it. Nice and easy. Alright, that one's nice and tight. Now we'll go over the bottom jack. Get that out of the way. And then I'm gonna put the tires in. There we go. There we go. Always start them by hand. That way we're not cross-threading. All right, here we go. Let's get this back side now. Get this jacked up. 21 millimeter. Again, I'm going to put it on the salt. Last one. Adjust it to soft. Line it up. All right, we are done.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Falcon Shocks SP2 2.1 Monotube front and rear shocks for a 0 to 1.5 inch lift on the 2020 and newer 3.6 liter Jeep Gladiator JT, but excluding the Mojave. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.